Hi, I am Gina Holmes, and I am here to show you how to make a functional latte from Sipology. We are going to try the chocolate mocha functional latte today, although there are two other great flavors. There is blueberry vanilla and pumpkin spice. These are fantastic and so easy to make. They don't even require any type of infuser. You will want a spoon. You will want, of course, your latte mix, some hot water, your cup, and some type of milk. Because this is a latte, I'm actually going to use a bit of French vanilla creamer, but you can use almond milk, you can use pea milk, you can use cow's milk, you can, oat milk, whatever floats your boat. All right, so to do this, it's quite easy, and all of our packaging is going to give you the instructions on the back. This is our orange colored, our latte mixes. Here it tells us that it's a chocolate mocha functional latte. The ingredients, our nutritional value on this one, it's 25 calories and the carbs are 5 grams. So depending on what you add for milk, that would be your only addition. And then, of course, your instructions on how to make your latte. This one is quite simple. I like to put my latte mix in first and let the water go over it. It seems to help to mix it up better and dissolve. So it requires 2 teaspoons. And we are getting, I love this one. I am down to like the very end of the bag. All right, it is a powder form, which is a little different than you'll find with our teas because this is a latte mix. We are going to put 2 teaspoons in here, and I am using the perfect cup spoon as my measuring tool. All right, so we've got 2 teaspoons in there. Now, on the back of the packaging, it is going to tell you how much water to use. So I'm going to go ahead and fill my cup. But of course, I'm not going to fill this all the way as I gotta leave room for my milk, right? You guys, I love this one. And what does a functional latte mean? Well, functional lattes, I'm gonna use my matcha spoon to stir it up because it's longer. Functional lattes have superfoods incorporated into them, which are really good for us. This one happens to contain maca root and lucuma powder. It comes from a fruit, and it is very naturally has like a kind of like a sweet vanilla type taste to it. Other ingredients you'll find in this, we have some sea salt. There is a coffee bean in this one, and vanilla bean, cocoa powder, and then a very small amount of organic cane sugar. As I told you earlier, it's only 5 grams in carbs. So it's a very small amount. Okay, this part's done. How easy was that? Now, to make it the latte, we're gonna add our milk product right on top. Just gonna, and you really just use what you feel is appropriate. I don't use much. Basically, the chocolate mocha, I make it look like chocolate milk. Now, some fun things that you can do with this too, if you really wanna step up your latte game. You could add some whipped cream, maybe sprinkle some nutmeg or some cinnamon on top, maybe the little fun sprinkles, whatever you choose to do. Now, I'm going to go enjoy this functional latte because it is just a little bit of heaven in a cup. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you later.